Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I've got two new wholesalers that one I found at ASD and one I found at Dallas Market Week when we went down there to go check things out. This is an American-made company, and then this is a company that we were like, hey, awesome, never thought about selling this, but since we saw them and we saw what we could get prices-wise, we were like, let's go ahead and check them out. So we're going to go ahead and open all four of these boxes, show you what's inside, and at the very end of the video, we'll price everything, and everything will be available on hookedonpickin.com. So let's get into these boxes. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. All right, so this one clearly is food because it says Jack's Candy. So we're going to see what all is in here. I'm going to try to be careful with my box cutter to not cut whatever it is. All right. Jelly Bellies. It says do not cut with a knife. All right.
Okay.
Let's see. We're going to press with thumb. It says tear here. I'm going to destroy this box. Watch. There it goes. Oh,
yeah.
Those are the Bean Boozled. If you've never had the Bean Boozled ones, they're the ones that look like regular Jelly Bellies. And you get them and you're like, yum, this one's good. But then the next one could taste like barf or like sour milk or what else? What all do they have in here? We've got
Stink bug.
Rotten egg, but the rotten egg looks exactly like the buttered popcorn.
Yep.
The dead fish looks like the strawberry banana smoothie.
That's awesome. It'll be fun.
Yeah, it's super fun. Super fun. So, well, let's see what's in this one. So those are the Bean Boozled. Let's check these. Ooh. Okay, so these are black licorice for all those
Licorice fans.
licorice fans. I am not a fan of the black licorice, but there are some people that love it.
Jelly Bellies made in the USA too.
Yes, they are.
That was one of the things you guys asked us when we went down to ASD Market Week to find more companies made in the USA. So there you go.
Yep.
Get you some Jelly Bellies.
Jelly Bellies. So we're going to put each different kind on hookedonpickin.com. Make sure you stay to the end and we'll tell you exactly how much we're going to charge for each one. So we've got black licorice, we've got Bean Boozled, which sounds terrifying, but fun all in one. Oh, here we go. Very cherry. Very cherry Jelly Bellies. Yum.
Looks good.
It does look yummy.
Just looks like summertime, don't it?
It does look like summertime. It's the plaid. It's a red and white
it's
plaid.
the plaid.
All right, what is in this one? Oh, here's another Bean Boozled. These have different kinds. Let's put it up here. You can see it. This one, oh, it's the same exact kind. Dead fish or strawberry banana smoothie.
Cool.
Sounds terrifying. All right, so we've got cherry, we've got Bean Boozled, we've got black licorice. And, ooh, Soda Pop Shop. Soda Pop Shop. We've got Orange Crush, A&W Root Beer, Dr. Pepper, 7-Up, A&W Cream Soda, and Grape Crush. Yummy, yummy.
It looks good.
I want to drink a soda right now.
It's only 110 calories a bag.
A bag?
Well, there's 27 servings in the bag.
Oh, you almost had me fooled there. All right, let's see what else is in here. Is this from same place?
I think maybe. Not sure.
Well, let's open the other Jack's Candy because I think this is supposed to be more flavors of Jelly Bellies, so we'll stick with that one, and then we'll leave you in suspense for the other boxes. All right, lots more Jelly Bellies. Let's see what flavors we got. This one is, ooh, buttered popcorn. How yummy is that?
That does look good.
Yes, it does.
We could have a whole popcorn.
Yeah. Do regular popcorn. We could do buttered popcorn and buttered popcorn Jelly Bellies.
Yeah.
And do we have any candy that's buttered popcorn other than the Jelly Bellies? That'd be fun, though.
Oh, no. That's something.
All right. Let's see. What's this new one? We have recipe mix. 2 flavors in every bean. So you have s'mores, chocolate and marshmallow, PB&J, so peanut butter and jelly, blueberry muffin, lemon meringue pie, and chocolate covered banana. So they're like a 2-for-1 mix.
Cool.
Yeah. All right, then we have, like I said, all of these will be available on hookedonpickin.com. You can go straight there to get them, but if you wait to the end of the video, you'll be able to see how much are we actually going to charge per Jelly Belly pack. So this one's being a little bit more. Oh, cotton candy. You could pair that with our cotton candy popcorn we have.
Yeah, you could. I think we have cotton candy taffy, too.
We do have cotton candy taffy. Just have a whole cotton candy theme.
We could have a whole set. Cotton candy set.
Cotton candy.
Looks good.
It does look good. All right, what's this one? Fruit bowl.
Bunch of fruitiness.
Feeling fruity? Here you go. We have the Jelly Bellies for you. Blueberry, coconut, green apple, juicy pear, sun-kissed lemon, lemon lime, peach, sun-kissed grapefruit, plum, pomegranate, raspberry, red apple, sun-kissed tangerine, top banana, berry cherry, and watermelon. I was really excited.
Amazing, huh?
I was really excited at the end there. All right.
Not 27 servings, 27 pieces.
27 servings.
Yeah. 27 servings. Each
So how
bag
many-
is 2,700 calories.
Servings is 3.5.
Yeah.
So it's 110 times 3.5 if you eat the whole bag. You don't want to eat the whole box. All right, then we have,
Small, they can't be fat.
yeah, sure, sours. So our sours have sour apple, sour cherry, sour lemon, sour orange, sour grape. All right. Look at all the yumminess.
Just mix all of them together.
We could. We can make a Jelly Belly mystery box.
Good.
Kids Mix. Here's Kids Mix.
I don't know what kids mix means.
Kids Mix says berry blue, blueberry, bubble gum, buttered popcorn, chocolate pudding, cotton candy, green apple, sun-kissed lemon, lemon lime, orange sherbet, peach, raspberry, red apple, sour cherry, strawberry jam, toasted marshmallow, tutti frutti, berry cherry, and watermelon for the Kids Mix.
All the flavors kids like.
All the flavors kids like. And we have Tropical Mix. Tropical Mix is berry blue, cantaloupe, coconut, crust pineapple, green apple, island punch, kiwi, sun-kissed lemon, lemon lime, mango, peach, pina colada, sun-kissed pink grapefruit, strawberry daiquiri, sun-kissed tangerine, and top banana.
Cool.
For the Tropical Mix. All right, 2 more Jelly Belly boxes to go, unless these have Jelly Bellies in them. Oh, these are cool. These are not Jelly Belly beans, but these are cinnamon bears. Unbearably hot, they say. Spicy cinnamon flavor is finished with a sanding of sugar to balance the heat. All right, so those are spicy cinnamon ones. I wonder if they're like the Red Hot candies. All right, last box of jelly beans. Dr. Pepper. Dr. Pepper Jelly Bellies.
They do sound good.
They do sound yummy. They
Cool.
do sound yummy. Okay, I have a helper that has just arrived. Would you like to help, Faith?
There's a helper.
All right. We've got a couple more boxes. I'm not sure if... Did you see all this stuff? Isn't that amazing?
Yeah.
Nice
Do you want...
shirt.
Should have been wearing a Jelly Belly shirt, not an M&M.
Get more M&Ms.
We should get more M&Ms. All right.
Just sell every candy imaginable.
What do you think, Faith? Should we sell every candy imaginable?
That would be really hard.
You're right. That would be really hard. What is in here? Oh, this is our
Oh.
jewelry
That's
guy.
something completely different. That's going to take a long time.
This is going to take a long time to go through. So we have jewelry. We're going to totally tease and put it on the next video. So we will...
I did not realize that was our jewelry.
I didn't realize it either. So we're going to totally tease, and this will be on our next video, okay? You hate me now, I know. But we're gonna show you because
Here,
it's
I'll
got
give you a quick sneak peek.
quick sneak peek. See, we've got some dragonflies, some cool stuff. So we will show you that on our next video.
Well, I thought that was a candy.
I thought it was. All right. So then we get so many shipments. It's crazy. All right. So this one is a U.S. company that we found at the Dallas Market Week. They do kind of like educational toys, but very mom and pop. It's a real small company. But look, I wanted Faith to see these because I thought she'd be interested in them.
Thank you on the invoice.
They did. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes. All right. So these are.
Ooh.
What do you think?
Yeah.
So they're wicker basket kits for beginners. So it makes about a 4-inch by 2-inch tall basket. It's for ages 8+, and so you basically learn how to weave your own basket.
Yep.
So
Faith, you're older than 8, of course. Yeah. Is this something that you might be interested in?
Yeah. It looks like a basket that you'd put like fruit in.
Yeah. Well, it's actually only 4 inches. It's going to be more like this probably.
Mm-hmm.
But you could put, what would you put in a little basket?
Pencils or
erasers.
I found this company. They're a U.S. company. Just a small little company. I think they're based out of California, or it might have been Washington.
But it comes, if you look in the bottom, you can see the little, the band that goes around.
They're just to try to teach you how to do it.
And it helps with motor skills and stuff like that, too.
That it does.
Yep.
Something completely different. And then if you want to expand and do something bigger, well, then you can, of course.
Oh, look. So that's a wicker basket. I didn't realize there were different baskets in here.
Yeah.
Look.
Oh.
Look at this one. This one is a coiled basket. And that one is 2.5 inches wide by 1.5 inches tall. What do you think of that one?
It's pretty.
It is pretty.
I feel like you could paint it different colors.
You could paint
you
it.
could paint it, yeah.
Yeah. And then we have a coiled basket kit for kids. Yeah, that one's cool. It's using pine needles. If you made this, you could probably use pine needles to make your own in the future. Like if you use this kit, you could probably use...
Well, I think that was the whole point. The idea is if you can learn how to do it, then you can take the stuff around you.
Right.
Like if you learn, Faith, how to make this basket, then you could actually go out to our woods and make another basket just like it.
Look at this one. This one is a plated basket for kids. See this one? That one cool? Yeah. So we got a lot of different kinds. We'll be pricing these at the very end of the video, so make sure you stay tuned. And then there's another kind in here. I think this is the last kind in here. Yeah, this is the last kind in here, right here. This one is called a twined basket kit for beginners.
I like this one.
You like that one? I like the top of it. It's pretty neat.
If you were going to do any of these, Faith, which one do you think you would do?
What's your favorite?
Maybe these two.
Those two there you like?
Mm-hmm.
Faith approved right there.
Faith approved. Very good.
So
I like it's for beginners.
Yeah, yeah. All right, awesome. We're going to price everything and then come right back. All right, we got everything priced. So we have, for our cute little baskets, we have 5 different styles right there. $9.99. $9.99 is what you'll pay at hookedonpickin.com. $9.99 for each one of the styles. So $9.99 for each kit, which is really cool, ages 8+. Then for our Jelly Bellies, which we know everybody loves, we've got various different kinds. $2.99 is what we're going to charge per bag for the different Jelly Bellies. So we've got the cotton candy, the cinnamon bears, the kids mix, the Dr. Pepper, the tropical mix, the licorice, black licorice, sours, soda pop shop, the bean boozled, recipe mix, very cherry, buttered popcorn, and fruit bowl. And all of those Jelly Bellies will be listed similar to the popcorn, all on one listing. You just get to pick your favorite flavor. So go ahead and go to hookedonpickin.com and get any of the items that you would like there. But all of these things, the baskets and the Jelly Bellies, are available there. And thanks again, and remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, just as a reminder, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you're not a subscriber to hookedonpickin.com. Hit that thumbs up button if you love it. If you would like to see a specific type of Jelly Belly or different kind of craft on our store, please go ahead and comment down in the comment section below. Also, if you've not been to hookedonpickin.com lately, you'll have to check out our new puzzles and other fun items that we just put on the store. Thanks so much for watching.